mga content na hindi natin dapat i-post sa ating mga reels at saka Facebook. Ayan, samahan nyo po ako. So, content, additional information, content informs on that allowed with a warning screen content that allowed but only be viewed by adults age 18 and older. So, violence and crime behavior, isa siya sa mga hindi natin pwedeng gawin. Dangerous organization and individuals coordinating harm and promoting crime. Ayan po, hindi din po pwede yan. And then restricted goods and services, fraud and deception. Ayan, hindi po pwede. Tapos yung sa safety naman, hindi rin po pwede yung suicide and self-injury, child sexual exploitation, abuse and nudity, hindi po pwede yan. Adult sexual exploitation, bullying and harassment, hindi po rin pwede yan. Mga